Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a guest avatar. First, identify the platform or game where you wish to create your avatar. Most systems offer a dedicated avatar creation section, often found in settings or profile menus. Begin by selecting a foundational model or a pre-designed template. This initial choice provides a solid starting point for your unique digital representation, allowing for extensive personalization in later steps. Now, let's dive into personalizing your avatar's appearance. You can modify various facial features, including eye shape, nose size, and mouth expression, to truly reflect your desired look. Experiment with a wide array of hairstyles and colors, from vibrant hues to natural shades. Don't forget to select a skin tone and body type that best represents your vision, ensuring your avatar is distinct. Next, we'll dress your avatar in style. Explore the extensive clothing categories, which typically include shirts, pants, dresses, and outerwear. Many platforms offer hundreds of items to choose from. Enhance your avatar's look with various accessories, such as stylish hats, cool glasses, or elegant jewelry. Feel free to mix and match different pieces to create several unique outfits, expressing your avatar's personality. Finally, it's time to finalize and save your guest avatar. Take a moment to review all the customization choices you've made, ensuring every detail is just right. You'll typically be prompted to confirm a name or display tag for your avatar, which helps identify it within the platform. Once satisfied, simply save your creation, and your unique guest avatar will be ready for use across the platform.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.